Hey friends, I'm Jesse from Shrink RC, and today I tested and installed the Hobbywing Quick Run Fusion SE motor into my RC 4-wheel drive Galanda 2 Cruiser. Super stoked on the results. I thought I would come here and show you a comparison of different motors and speed controllers in different trucks so you kind of see what I'm talking about. The Hobbywing Quick Run Fusion SE, they call it a fusion because they put the motor and the speed controller all in one. And for hard body folks, that's really cool because on hard bodies, you're always looking for extra space. And the speed controller on this is built into the top of the motor. They make the can just a couple millimeters longer than this. And all these guts are inside there. And there's nothing to solder. It's just super, super convenient. That's not even the best part about it. The best part about this setup is that it's really efficient on your battery and it's amazing, amazing low speed control. So let's do a little quick test here of what each one of these trucks looks like with the current setup I have in them. I'll explain as I go. This is an Axial Pro. I'm controlling it with the Futaba. I have a Futaba receiver in it, and it has a Quick Run Fusion Pro motor speed controller in it. That is the big brother to this one, but it costs twice as much. It has a couple more features. I don't think they're always worth it, and so I actually bought two of these to try out. This one's still unopened, and this one is installed in the truck. Let's show the Axial Pro with the Fusion Pro motor in it and being controlled by the Futaba with a Futaba receiver. That low speed control did not used to exist in the RC crawler world. These have been out for, I don't know, maybe a year, so this isn't a brand new phenomenon, but I've only come to it recently and I'm just blown away. I don't know why I waited so long, but that to me is phenomenal. You're not gonna beat that. And of course, it'll go fast if you want it to. The next one I wanted to show you is a completely stock RC 4-wheel drive truck. This one has the stock brushed motor like this in it. I think it may be the very same one, same speed controller. It has the same axles as the FJ. I wouldn't go and compare those to one another because there's just a lot of differences. But when you're comparing these two, these are actually really similar. As you can see, the tire size isn't hugely different. They do have the same axles. They have the same transmission, same running gear. All three of these are running on 3-cell lipos, which are the same voltage. So they're all getting the same amount of juice. Let's look at this orange and white stock RC 4-wheel drive Blazer, stock remote, stock everything. And I'm gonna again try to go real nice and slow with it. And you can see I had to jump it a little bit there at the start to get it moving. And it's just not quite as smooth of a speed control as this guy. So now, let's take a look at the FJ Cruiser. The FJ, I bought a Futaba so that I could upgrade the remote. I'm gonna attach it to I'm gonna bind this to my Futaba. But I was really curious what the FJ would be like with a stock controller and changing absolutely nothing except for that Quick Run Fusion SE. So, and I was actually pretty impressed. I'm still gonna put the Futaba on it, but I gotta say, it's really not bad if that is an option for you. Let's do the Cruiser now. Well, I'm gonna start again because I jumped it a little bit and I don't need to. It's not quite as smooth to me as when I'm using the Futaba, but it is still some really good controls. It's a lot better than stock. I mean, leaps and bounds. I'm really, really impressed with the setup. All of these have our body mounts on them, of course. Here's our FJ Cruiser body mounts. Here's our body mounts for the TF2 with a Blazer on it. And here's our body mounts for the Axial Pro. You can see I've got sliders on there as well. And at the end of the video, I'm going to put in some real-time running footage from today of the FJ Cruiser. Thanks you guys for watching. Peace.